The QBT-3 NUVU oven proofer features our best in-class airflow system technology. This technology drives faster cook times and perfect heat distribution, top to bottom, side to side, and front to back. You will never need to turn pans, and in turn, this saves labor costs. You can produce to perfection all types of bakery product, including breads, rolls, pies, cinnamon buns, croissants, and more. This unit is designed for applications where on-premise baking is needed. Standard features for this oven include a new updated sleek look, dual pane cool to the touch oven doors, touchscreen programmable controls, Wi-Fi capabilities, best-in-class airflow system, auto mist proofer, and the 32 programmable 8-stage baking. In this video, we will be going over operation, maintenance, and cleaning of your QBT-3 oven. Once your oven is plugged into the appropriate power source, it is ready to be turned on. This can be done by flipping the main power switch on the front of your unit. Once your Smart Touch Control digital screen illuminates, it is now time to turn on your oven and your proofer. Here you will see that we have two separate controls for the oven and the proofer. But I do want to make clear that the menu 1 for the oven will correspond with the menu 1 for the proofer, as in these are the same recipes. So as you'll see, I'll hit menu 1 under oven. It'll preheat my oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, but the actual temp is only 106 right now. And for my proofer, menu 1, it's preheating to 95 degrees Fahrenheit for proofing, and the actual temp sits at 74 degrees Fahrenheit. You see that we have slots for up to 6 preset recipes. Now we're going to go ahead and program a recipe into our unit. Select the program file button and input our code, which is 7123. Here again, we come back to this front page, but now this is the page that we're going to be inputting recipes with. We're going to go into menu 6 for the oven and menu 6 for the proofer. And this is where we can actually change our variables. I can go in and change my temperature for the oven, do 350, and for how long it'll bake for. We'll go ahead and do 12 minutes. Oven's pretty straightforward. It's the proofer that's got a few more controls. So we'll proof at 105 degrees Fahrenheit with 85% humidity. And this is a 3-stage baking. So we could say, let's proof for the first 20 minutes, and then I want a timer to go off, and then I could come in for another 20 minutes. And this helps me cycle in bread batches. If I know my first batch of bread will take 20 minutes to proof and then 12 minutes to bake, if I do the math correctly, I'll be cycling in the correct amount of bread so that we always have something working in the oven at all times. Once we've set our recipe, we can go ahead and hit the green check mark, and now it'll be put into our oven for future use. From this page, we can go back now to our main screen, which is, you'll see this is it. And really the only other option we have from this point is a dry out. So this would be used at the end of the day once you're done baking all your bread. We would dry the cavity out. Since this is a proofer oven, we need to make sure that we're vigilant to wick away all moisture at the end of the day. Standing water in your cabinet will bring down the quality of it over time and bring up maintenance issues. So we always recommend the end user to dry out your oven. It'll even give you a prompt to open your door slightly. Counts down from 45 minutes, and by the end of that 45 minutes, your cavity will be nice and dry and cleaned out for the next day's use. As you can see, this is a really straightforward Smart Touch control. If you're familiar with NUVU's QB original proofer oven combination, this is just an upgrade. So We're just looking at the same controls, again having the oven being separate from the proofer. On this QBT-3 we have a 9-pan full capacity proofer on the bottom, and then a 3-pan full rack capacity on the top for the oven. For cleaning and maintenance of your QBT-3 oven, we always recommend that you power your whole unit off and allow it to cool down. For cleaning the proofer, there's just a few key things to point out. For cleaning the proofer, you will first want to remove all of the racks. We can now remove the sidewall panels. At this point, we can wipe down the inside of the oven with warm soapy water or vinegar water solution. The rubber gaskets can also be removed for easy cleanup. At the end of the day, make sure to always remove the water pan to dispose of extra water and to clean. To clean the interior of our QBT-3 oven, all we must do is remove the racks and give the inside of the oven a nice wipe down with mild soapy water. We can also scrub down the dual pane glass window. Thanks to its touchscreen controls with fine variables over temperature and humidity, our NUVU QBT-3 oven is perfect for any end user who is looking to do high production bread baking. For more information regarding this unit, plus a user manual and warranty information, please visit us at our website.